Everyone, in today's video we will discuss about symmetric key cryptography. So the main point about symmetric key cryptography is that same key is used for encryption and decryption. For both encryption and decryption, only one key is used. So let us suppose we are having one A and one B. Okay, A is a sender and want to send a message to the receiver B. So that same key it will use to encrypt that message, and the same key at the receiver and B will use to decrypt that message. So let us suppose it wants to send a message M to the receiver B. So M is basically a plain text. You can say it is a plain text like any message, hello, or any message, other message it want to send to B. So now what it will do is it will convert it to a cipher text. How it will do? Let us suppose we are having this message M. So with the key, let us suppose our key is KS. This is our secret key with which it will encrypt this message and it will convert to a cipher message. Okay, see. Now this has converted it into a cipher text. Now in the network it will go and B will receive this message C. Okay. Now but C does not know what this message is because it is mostly a cipher text. Now again what it will do is it will use the same key. The same key KS will be used by B also, and now this was our message C. So now this again it will use the key KS for encrypting this message and it will convert it to the message M, which the sender A has sent it to originally. Okay, it can be hello or any message. So the main point here is that only one key, that is key KS and key KS. Now KS was used for encryption also. The message is encrypted to cipher text, and again the B has also used the same key KS for the decryption of this ciphertext and getting this message M. So this is the main point here, that only one key is used for both encryption and decryption. Okay. Now some other important points in respect of your competitive exam which are asked here is that symmetric key is also called private or secret key cryptography. So sometimes in competitive exam it is asked the question that secret key cryptography is called symmetric or asymmetric key cryptography. So then you have to remember those points. Secret key cryptography or private key cryptography is also called your symmetric key cryptography. This we have already discussed, that same key is used for both encryption and decryption. We have seen only one key, that was key KS. Here was the key KS which was used for both encryption and decryption. Now the third point is not much secure. Symmetric key cryptography, we can say it is not much secure because we have only one key present. So if any third person or third party person get access to this key, then he or she can also encrypt your message. Okay, so this is not much secure technique. And the fourth point is the algorithm. Sometimes this also is asked in competitive exam, that what all algorithms are in symmetric key cryptography. So DES, AES, these types of techniques, cryptography techniques or algorithm we use for in symmetric key cryptography, or these use the concept of symmetric key cryptography. Okay. Now the fifth point is if you are having n user or n devices connected, like you are having here two devices connected, then how many key we have used here? One key we have used for both. So this question is asked many times in your examination, that if we are having n devices connected, then how many keys will be used for transmitting the messages? So that is NC2. NC2 means, we can say NC2 equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. So this question sometimes asked, like if it has asked that if you are having three users, if you are like you are having two devices here, if you are having three devices connected, then how many keys will be used? Okay, so see here, one key will be used for encrypt for these two, for messages of these two. One key will be used for these two and one key will be used for these two. Okay, so we are having three keys here. So if users are three or devices are three, so we can put here 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So this is your 3. So we are having three. If we will be using three keys if we have the three users connected. The same if the question is that, like if you are having 5 devices connected, then how many keys will you use? So you will use this NC2, that is n into n minus 1 2, where n is the number of users. So this is also asked many times. So the main concept or the main thing to remember here is that Symmetric key cryptography is also called a private or secret key cryptography, and in this cryptography we use only one key both for encryption and decryption of messages. Okay, so this was all about symmetric key cryptography. In the next video we will discuss about asymmetric key cryptography. Thank you.